Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security. Now in the device security, just tap on the fingerprint. And before we'll be able to set the fingerprint, we have to set a screen lock. Of course, if you've got one, you will be transferred to the next step. If not, you have to do it right now. So let me choose the pattern. Let me draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Here we have to decide what kind of notification content we want to show, so it's totally up to you. Just mark the option and tap on done. And now we've got the fingerprint section, so tap on next. Here we've got the information where we've got the sensor. It is on the back of our device, which is right here. So all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. Alright, we just successfully added the fingerprint, so just tap on done. Here we've got the finger we just added. We can remove it or rename it, or add another fingerprint. Now let me go back, let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.